Forex trading can be an exciting way to explore financial markets and potentially make profits. If you're interested in getting started with Forex trading using the Exness broker, you'll need to download their trading app on your mobile phone. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to download the Exness Forex trading app on your cell phone. First step is to open the App Store on your mobile phone. If you're using an iPhone, this is the App Store. And if you're using an Android device, it's the Google Play Store. Once you're in the App Store, use the search bar to type Exness Forex Trading and hit the search button. This will bring up the official Exness Forex Trading app. Look for the Exness Forex Trading app in the search results. It usually has the Exness logo, making it easy to identify. Once you find it, click on the app's icon to open its download, then press the Install or Get button to begin the download and installation process. Your phone will now download and install the Exness app. The time it takes depends on your internet connection speed. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the app icon on your home screen. Locate the Exness app icon on your home screen and tap on it to open the application. The first time you open the app, you may need to log in or create a new account if you don't have one already. If you're already an Exness user, enter your login credentials, username, and password to access your account. If you're new to Exness, follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account. This usually involves providing your email address, creating a password, and agreeing to the terms and conditions. Congratulations, you've successfully downloaded and installed the Exness Forex Trading app on your mobile phone. Now you can explore the exciting world of Forex trading, analyze the markets, and execute trades right from the convenience of your cell. Remember to stay informed about market trends and risk management strategies as you begin your Forex trading journey.